In this video, we're going to go through and explain how to create a custom task type and then allow somebody to create that task type from what we call an interceptor, where you add a manual task, or you could also do it via a workflow create task activity as well, or script. So as you look at the screen here, I've gone to the tables section in ServiceNow, and if we go into this table list, I'm just going to do a search here. The table I created was called EUC Special Request, and when I go into that table, key thing here that you'll notice is that it extends the task table. And so what this means is that it creates a table with all the fields of tasks of a task record, including all the capabilities of task, which include being able to associate SLAs, that type of thing. We've created a prefix for it. We've got the number configuration over here as well. Then we've added a few different fields that are non-task specific fields. So you can see here manufacturer, name of item, cost. So I've created this table, and now at this point what I want to be able to do is allow people to add records or EUC special request tasks within the system to this table. So what I'll do next here is switch over to a catalog item. Actually, I'll go through and place an order via an order guide. So let me just hop over here to order guides. We'll go ahead with a, it doesn't really matter, I'll just say on-site bundle. And actually there's no options in there, so this one's not configured yet. We'll go ahead and do a, let's go with a WFA bundle here. Well, we do have some options in this one. So this has got a desktop, a monitor, a speaker, etc. So go ahead and check out. Submit that order. And now when I go to request, so you can see we've got a number of things that have been spun up here. And when I go into that request, I'll go into one of the request items here. We'll say Surge Protector. And let's say from within this Surge Protector record, you want to add an additional task. So manually go in and just ad hoc create a task. What you can do is come over to your task tab, and when you click new, this brings up the interceptor interface, and you'll notice what we have in here is an EUC special request. So you can define these interceptors and which, what shows up in here and what doesn't. And basically what it is just a redirect to a particular form that lets you create this particular type of task. So I'll click on EUC special request. I'll just put in some sample data here and submit. And so what that's done now is created an ad hoc task of EUC special request task type and associated it to this requested item. So the last thing I'll show you here is an interceptors. Oops, helps if you spell it right. You can define your interceptors for the task, for tables that derive from task or extend task. And you can see these are the ones that showed up on our list in the example I just went through. But notice down here I've defined one for EUC special request, and all it's doing really is just pointing at the URL that gets you to that task type. So simple to do. That's just a quick video on how to have ad hoc tasks, create the table, configure the interceptor, and that's it.